Well, I'm going to do a cold start this morning. See how she does. Everything. Just getting the fluids through naturally. Like she would normally on every day. But sadly I can't drive her yet. Still need to go get the sticker for the plate and insure. Then, hey, she'll be road friendly. Man, look at this. My wheels are dirty. Like, I thought they'd be more dirtier than that for sitting for 6 months. But, hey, not too bad. Let's set this up right here. No, it's good. Right there, cool. Right on. Oh yeah. I figured some smoke would come out of there. Yep. Figured. All of it's spitting. All that gunk and gas and oil probably. Who knows? Just normal stuff from sitting. I'm just happy that she runs now. She's alive. I got the beast back working. To be honest, I'll be honest. I used to be a Ford guy, but man, this Dodge just made me love them. Like, I don't think I'll go back. But maybe because the 2018, 2017 F-150 3.5 liter twin turbos. My brother had one. Well, has one. But man, I don't think I'd never go back. This is like one unique, I think, thing I like about my truck. I got jaws on them. I see a lot of people with bull horns, deer antlers. No one with shark jaws, even though that's rubber. I want to get a real one though. That'd be cool as hell. But that's all for today. Right on. Thanks for watching, man.